There are times when the information is not always correct. So, did you experience any of that?
No, I didn't. In fact, I get calls from Actor Prepare still today for auditions. So even today they send me for auditions, for film auditions. So that's never really happened that I've got information that's not correct. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है.
So, what was your journey like right after the course?
Right after the course got over, I remember I got a show where I played the main lead for the first time. तो मैंने जो कुछ भी सीखा था Actor Prepare से, the camera work, interacting with I think more than anything else for me, feeling what I'm doing. Yes.
How was your first day on the shoot as an actor?
My first day, very bad. I was so scared. चली गई सेट पे, शो साइन किया, रिजाइन कर दिया जूम से, एंड आई वेंट ओके लेट्स डू इट. एंड माय डायरेक्टर, आई एम श्योर यू पीपल आर फीलिंग दैट, माय डायरेक्टर टोल्ड मी ओके you have to come from this door, then you have to stand here on this mark, then you have to look right. It was a long shot, like a one shot, and I was lost. I saw the setup, I saw the cameras, I saw the lights, and I was like, okay, I'll do it. And I'm not looking at him, I'm not understanding anything. It took me 3-4 takes to understand what I'm doing. So yeah, it was very unnerving. मुझे अपने पहले शेड्यूल में डांट भी पड़ी थी अपने डायरेक्टर से, बहुत ज़ोर से मैं रो पड़ी थी, because he wanted, and again he wanted a one shot, and one shots are very difficult. अगर आप पूरी तरह से सीन में नहीं है, अगर आप पूरी तरह से डायरेक्टर के साथ मतलब यू आर नॉट कन्विंस्ड विद व्हाट ही इज सेइंग, और यू आर नॉट sort of parallel to his thinking, तो बहुत difficult हो जाता है to do a one shot.
After passing out from Actor Prepare?
After passing out from Actor Prepare, like I told her, my biggest concern was that I used to not feel anything. I used to not feel what I'm saying. और having done one show, वो मैंने realize किया कि it doesn't work. It shows on camera कि आपकी आँखों में कुछ नहीं है, blank है आपकी आँखें, और ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि कभी कभी कुछ सीन करने में मज़ा आए तो मैं ये फील करूँगी, मैं वो फील नहीं कर सकती. तो एक्टर प्रिपेयर्स के बाद सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो मैंने सीखी थी वो थी, एक तो फील करना अपने कैरेक्टर को, और दूसरा आई लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ टेक्निक्स हियर विच हेल्प्ड मी व्हेन when the director tells you okay do this, and you do it and say no it's not working, you do it again, no it's not working, and then you apply the techniques that you've learned.
And what's been your biggest battle so far as an actor, apart from the a battle as an actor?
There are lots of battles, I can't really say any one has been my battle, because every time there are new challenges. I remember my pre-Maryada, when I was doing that show, for the first 4 months I couldn't understand the character. I couldn't. My character was a girl who has been raped, and then she was put behind bars, and because she spoke against the guy who raped her, and then the guy spoke about her in the media, and he publicized to everybody that she's loose character, she's going to get married to somebody, he left her on the day of her marriage. So all this had happened to her. And then the show started at a point where she is going to commit suicide, and she's leaving her family behind. So much had happened to the girl, and I was clueless. Like we had a lot of readings, but I couldn't understand her, because I've never been her. I've never gone through what she must have gone through. So it was very difficult. I mean, so there are things like this which are very difficult. The second show that I did was an orphan girl, this is Savitri, who sees dead people, and she knows that there is some past life, there is something going on in her head. How do you do these things? So you just go with the conviction of the director, with the writers, and when you're confused, you just go with everybody else's conviction till you get it right. And that's been my biggest battle, because I like to take up challenging stuff which I can't do.
So one which is ongoing till now, is there anything like we should know about?
I think just that never close yourself. The minute you close yourself, even for a even for half an hour, probably you're doing something productive and you close yourself, it's not good. It may just take you back a lot more. So never close yourself. And another battle that probably I have is, I think that you should be open to trying everything. Never say no. The minute you say no, you're blocking yourself, because then the whole world will tell you how to do it, and you don't want to be in that spot. It's terrible when you're on your job and everybody's telling you how to do it. It's not a good spot to be in. Yeah, it happens a lot if you're not convinced. If you're not convinced, then that is going to happen to you. And then you get so confused with what others are saying. What do I really think? How do I really want to do it? And okay, do they want this? Okay, should I do what they want? Then you get lost in all those things and you miss the point. So